Welcome back, guys. We here at ProFunction are excited to announce that we are reopening our downtown and South End clinics. As you'll see, we have made many changes to our clinics to ensure the health and safety of all our patients.
Your health is our #1 priority. All of our staff will be following guidelines outlined by the Ministry of Health. Here's what you can expect.
Your appointment will begin 4 hours before your visit when you will receive a COVID questionnaire. We ask that you fill this out prior to arriving for your appointment. Please arrive at your scheduled time to ensure we limit your wait and the number of patients in the clinic. Please come to your appointment alone if possible and leave any unnecessary belongings in your car. We are asking that all patients come with a face mask and, if possible, be wearing their mask upon entering the building. You will be greeted at the door and asked to clean your hands upon entry with sanitizer provided. You will then be directed into your clean and sanitized treatment room where you will wait for your clinician. Our ProFunction staff has created a system to ensure that all touch points, rooms, and equipment are thoroughly cleaned and signed off on before the next patient enters for their appointment. There will be sanitizer readily available throughout both clinics. All of our staff will have proper protective equipment, including a face mask, and in certain situations may have the added protection of a face shield. Plexiglass has been added to our front desk, and we ask that you continue to use debit or credit card as your form of payment at this time. Virtual appointments will continue to be available from the comfort and safety of your home. We are prepared, ready, and excited to see you back at ProFunction.